Alright, if you watched my last video, you saw that I have a Google Smart Home and my garage lights are motion detector, but they're only motion detector from 9 p.m. to 7 a.m. But anyway, you can see how bad this rotor looks. So 33,000 miles, the rotor starts to shake now when you hit the brakes at about 55, 60 miles an hour. So we're going to swap these out with brand new OEM Nissan rotors. And you just saw my garage light go out. I've only got 2 minutes of no motion and my garage lights will fail. So we're going to go off a shop light to take this apart. No biggie. So first one we're going to jump in on is going to be the top. I swear I had all the tools. It's like it's the first time I've ever done this. So the top, we're going to break these free. I'm going to say the torque, this is a 19 millimeter bolt. And I'm going to say they're only torqued at about maybe 100 foot-pounds. Once you break it free, it comes right out. I'm going to let that one hang. I'm going to go get the bottom one. You want to watch the bottom one? Oh, there goes the lights. Does that work? We're going after this one. Alright, that one's out. Okay, that was good. We're going to take the top one out now. This rotor might fall and hit you in the face, so be careful. Top bolt's out. Okay. Bottom bolt's out. I'm going to take you out of the way. So we all have these Harbor Freight buckets laying around. We're going to take our caliper off and we're going to set it down on a Harbor Freight bucket. We're going to take our old brake rotor. We're going to slide it out of the way. The old brake rotor we will take to the machine shop and have them machine it down. Now we need to get a little bit more room to get that new rotor on. So that right there should just about do it. Because there's not really that much wear on these old rotors, if any wear at all. If you're a good driver, you don't use your brakes. Brakes are for losers. Alright, come on. We're in. You guys go back here. Keep an eye on me. Make sure I'm doing this right. So here's the bottom one. Bottom one's the easy one. Well, all right, bottom one's in. Top one. Top one wants to be in. Probably right about 100 foot-pounds right there. Oh, all right. Yay. Okay. Alright, here you go. Get our free harbor brake. But that's it right there. That's all there is to it. Brandon rotor. Put our crappy BF Goodrich KO2s back on. I'm going to replace these. These are noisy when you're driving down the highway. Noisy. They don't have any traction. Finally, the wheel lock. The wheel lock is not going to stop these from getting stolen. And we'll torque those down all the way when the truck's on the ground. But that's what it looks like. 2020 Pro 4X, new rotors, new rotors. Yay. Hey, if this was helpful for you, smash that like button. I need all the thumbs up I can get. Thanks for watching. There it is. Nissan Pro 4X, 33,000 miles.